Joining us on Valley News Live, these moose, wow, check this out, a couple of twin babies out there. Thanks so much. This is in Brinsmead. Thanks, Sandra, for uploading this video. You can check out the app for another video of those fine furry friends there. As we take a look outside, we do have some light pillars taking shape out by the airport as ice crystals fill the atmosphere. Now, the weekend at a glance. A cold day tomorrow, highs mainly in the single digits and teens, coldest north. Down near the South Dakota border and out west, we'll have a chance at 20 to 25 degrees. Sunday will be warmer, but more wind, and that's a snapshot of your forecast. And wow, our tower cam time lapse today showing just how low that visibility was. We had wind, we had flakes, and tricky travel in spots with visibilities dropping down to a quarter mile or likely even less in places as we went through the brunt of the wind and the snow. Wind is still gusting 29 miles per hour, makes it feel like 18 below, even though it's 2 above in Fargo, 2 above Grand Forks. The sub-zero air, here it goes, the 0 degree line here in black. Anywhere north of that, it's below zero. Bemidji and Thief River Falls below zero. It's also below zero in Devil's Lake. Factor in the winds, and we have wind chills already approaching 30 below zero at times in the northern portions of the valley. Babe the Blue Ox says, Paul, good idea for that flannel to go right back on. Wind speeds still gusting over 30 miles per hour along I-94. That's for Fergus Falls. That's for Alexandria. That's going to keep that snow, that light, fluffy, flaky stuff blowing across the roads and keep those roadways pretty icy through the overnight hours. A clear patch here, a few clouds moving into the Devil's Lake Basin as we head into the overnight hours. Our concern turns to wind chill, a wind chill advisory for most of our counties. For wind chills tonight as we set this into motion, that will dip down to between 20 and 35 degrees below zero at times, with the coldest being up here in northeast North Dakota and northwest Minnesota. Air temperatures will be no picnic either. Many of us starting the day in the single digits below zero. We could have some teens below in spots up north. Now, we'll see some sun out there, not as much wind, but it won't take a lot of wind for it to feel wind chilly. We go through the day, our wind will be westerly at around 15 miles per hour. Look at this, a few more flakes flying across from the midday hour into the early afternoon. Not a lot of accumulation here, but another tenth or two of an inch of snow, not out of the question. Temperatures peaking in the single digits to around 15 for most. Will be close to 20 in South Dakota. As we head into the evening hours, this exits, the wind dies down, and it looks like another cold one out there as we close out our day. Speaking of which, closing out your day, in downtown Moorhead and Fargo as that parade of lights takes hold, 8 to 10 degrees as the parade kicks off with wind chills that will be in the single digits below zero throughout the event. Bundle up, but we hope to see you out there. We will be out there and hope to see you as well. Single digits in the afternoon snapshot forecast up north, but sub-zero wind chills in pink here. 17 in Wahpeton tomorrow afternoon at 4 and close to 20 for Oaks, maybe a little warmer in Sisseton. Planning your forecast. Sunday a little warmer, but wind chilly. Next week, Arctic air arrives and it sticks around through midweek, and even a little bit of wind. We'll have wind chills in the morning hours now between 20 and 40 below zero. So we'll keep our eyes on that for you. Then on Thursday and Friday of your Red Kettle forecast, it looks like we rebound just a pinch though as we stay well below average for this time of the year. Stacy and Justin, all in all, it looks like some chilly weather for the picnic, but